Hey everyone, Miss Jessica here, and welcome to your introduction to MCCA's new band app. This video is tutorial number 1, how to download and enjoy band. If you caught Miss Cody's video yesterday, this app will be MCCA's new takeover for all communication for the studio to help streamline all of your information and questions and just to make your lives easier. This app can be accessed through your smartphone, which is what we mostly recommend, but it can also be accessed online or it can be downloaded directly to your PC. It is very user-friendly, and as you start to use it, you'll just see how similar it is to Facebook. The interface and functionality is just like a beefed-up Facebook account. This tutorial is split into 3 videos with an additional desktop tutorial video to keep things simple and to not overwhelm you. So let's get started. So normally, if you don't have the band app downloaded, you need to go to your app store, type in band at the top, and hit search. The first thing that pops up is what you need to choose, this neon green B for band. So after you open it, you have these 3 options to sign up. I'm clicking Facebook just because it's the easiest. Hit continue. So this is my husband's account, so we're going to continue with this. Click and get started. All right, which Lucy Grapes is actually my puppy's name. So you will go ahead and fill in your birth date, your gender, and your phone number. When you do your phone number, it's going to send you an automated text message with a 4-digit number that you'll need to confirm that you are using the actual phone number that is listed in your account. So I'm just going to hit skip right now, but normally you will fill this out. If you're using email, you'll need to upload a photo. Okay, so from here, you don't want to choose any of these because you are not creating a group, you are joining a group. So you're going to go ahead and hit cancel in the upper left-hand corner, and you want to click the middle button, Discover Bands. From here, you'll click the top and type in MCCA and search, and it's the only band. So you're going to click that and click Join this band. Highlight your name and hit Join. So your request is completed, and you'll be approved once we submit and approve your request. So that is tutorial number 1. Nice and simple, right guys? So I will start your next video here in a second. Please let us know if you have any questions about how to join. Thank you. Bye guys.